we're about to show y'all the green apple slime. I'm Asia. And here's my other sister, Madison.
And we like cranberries. We don't even know what cranberries are.
Yeah, and then the green slime actually
Green apple.
yeah.
Cold, distraction.
Oh, no, you cannot. Okay, guys, you can poke it. Poke. Okay, guys, and it also stretches.
We like cranberries.
Yeah, they like cranberries.
I swear I ain't never seen it. And you can pop through it like that. Look, and it's good.
Yeah.
No,
Okay, next.
it's good.
No, it's not. That is bad for you. Guys, okay, so I'm going to show y'all the banana split. Okay.
Sour banana split.
Yeah.
Oh, it's rotten.
No, it's not.
Go through that one too.
Angel, stop. Guys, it's like that. No poke.
It's gooey. It's good.
Yeah. Guys, you can also poke.
Every day we lit. Okay, I'll be back.
Guys, you can poke it, guys. And next, I'm about to show y'all orange. Sour orange. I'm about to show y'all sour orange, guys. Guys, so I was breaking that on
Y'all,
purpose.
y'all gotta tell my hair look a mess in this video. What is wrong with y'all?
So, guys, here's
What
the
is wrong with y'all?
here's the orange split,
Oh.
and it also pokes, guys.
Yeah, it poked. Whoa! And it cut too. See, you poked it.
Yeah.
And it fought.
Yeah, that's it. Next, guys, I'm gonna show y'all blackberries. Blackberry slime, guys. This is a blackberry slime, guys. It's
Yeah, I went to the beauty shop and I got my new weed in.
It also stretches,
Come
guys.
out here, y'all.
Stretches, guys.
No, that mess is
Shut up.
Y'all,
So,
get y'all weed
hope
on.
you like this video, guys.
I love it. Get y'all weed on.
Subscribe. Oh yeah. Hope you like this video, guys.
Get the weave done at Virtual Hair Depot for 99 cents. Get the weave done. Girl, yes. You see how long it got inches? It's 14, 16, 28. Ask for Miss Sally and get your hair done. Goodbye.